Stop overeating. Most of you are just overeating. That's why you have all that extra weight. I'm telling you, you need to figure out your maintenance calories. The sooner you can figure that out, that's when you can realize, all right, how much can I eat to not put on too much weight while building that muscle? Because is it really worth it to be carrying an extra 30 pounds of fat? That's what happens. A lot of you are thinking, I'm going to bulk, I'm going to bulk, I'm going to bulk. I'm just going to see food and eat it. That goes south so quickly. So I'm telling you, figure out how much food you actually need to be stable mentally. All right? And once you do that, that's going to take you a long ways of in itself. And how do you kind of figure out your maintenance calories? I guess you'll have to run some tests. So start at maybe whatever you're eating now. If you're eating 2,000 calories, cool. Maybe drop it by 100 calories. See how you're feeling. Do you feel like super cranky? Just base it on some sort of metric like that, where you're constantly kind of dropping the food and seeing where your weight is at. You know what I mean? If you wake up, you're at 212, okay. Try and wake up and be at 210 and see how you're feeling. You know what I mean? Because like you don't want to have a lot of extra calories in you, because again, you don't need a lot of calories to build muscle. You just need to be in a slight surplus, 100, 200, and that'll do the trick. So just use some of those metrics that I kind of give you and just see how it plays out. Because again, you don't want to be in a deficit, but you also don't want to be in a crazy surplus. So if you're in a crazy surplus right now, just start cutting the calories back a little and just kind of really do an audit. How am I feeling? How am I feeling? If you're still feeling good and you still have some body fat, good. I say dance around like 12% body fat. I think that's a good kind of rule of thumb, and you'll still have good muscle but not too much fat on you. That's all I got to say, guys. Implement those things and that'll take you a long ways. See you later, alligator. Remember, stay natty.